So it's Monday the 8th. Yesterday the weather was picking up and it was really nice, so I thought I'll jump back onto this Range Rover problem and see if we can really isolate what is a problem with this ECU. The thing was that I ordered another OBD2 cable here, and I actually spliced it into the actual wires coming out of the plug, so there was only like a centimetre of wiring coming out of the plug, and I put that on, so that eliminated all the joints and things like this. It's straight into there, and I couldn't read it. It had exactly the same problem. My reader would power up, so we know that the wires are on the plug correct, and there's only a positive, negative and a K line and an L line. That's all you need. There's only like 4 wires. Well, there's actually 5, but two grounds are spliced together, and it didn't do anything. You couldn't read it, so I don't know about that. But the other thing was, I think it was in the comments, or Mark from Tornado suggested that I have a look at the check engine light, because it wasn't coming on when you turn the ignition on. But when I put the wire coming out of the ECU plug, when I found the exact wire and put that to ground, the light would come on. So it's obviously nothing's grounding through that box. So I think it's a dead one. I'm almost convinced now. Now this is really perplexing me, because this is the second one it's had on, and I don't know what's causing it to stop working. On the first one, there's a wire that comes off the body, not the body control, but the alarm, and it's linked into this wire. Well, this time, you know, when I fitted this one, I cut it off, so there was no signal coming into it to screw things up. So I really don't know. I really don't know. Now this here was fitted 2021, so it's 4 years and it's bit the dust. It hasn't been running all the time for 4 years. It's been in the bloody garage on the lift most of the time. But it's I think we're getting there now, so we can sort of safely isolate that problem. What a job, eh? See ya.